All right, so this is me showing you how to do some exports. So first off, uh, there's two types of things you'll need for a given class. So I'm going to be dealing with my biotech class right now. Um, so you got to go to text. So for first, you're going to be making your IDs export. So I'm going to go to text and student list. All right, so this is the reason I call this the IDs export is that I have this column with their student IDs, and then I've got this column with their names. It's going to be used to match those up. Um, so this class I'm going to call biotech IDs dot text. The other document we're going to want to get, which also isn't going to be a CSV yet, but we'll want it to be, is go to gradebook. And one thing I should mention is that text document you're only ever going to have to do once. Whereas this gradebook one, anytime you want to update for either group maker or random caller, you can make a new grade sheet. Random caller you won't need to, but for grades, that's important because our random grouping is going to be based off of their grades. So once you're in the gradebook and you're in the class you want, you click reports, and then here you're going to go to print gradebook, and then you want to make sure it's an XLS Excel spreadsheet. Then you go down, you click run report. Now I gave it this whole long name. We're going to open up here. I have the file. I'm just going to rename it so I don't forget. This is biotech grades. Class and grades, we'll call it. All right. So now we want to open this up in Excel. Because notice that, so the web browser is going to need to use CSV for both these files. So we just need to turn both of these into CSVs. So first, I've opened up my XLS file. It's really simple. Just going to go to File, Save As, and then see how it's right now to XLS. I'm going to change that to comma delimited CSV. Save. Boom, done with that one. Now I'm going to open up that biotech one. Now, one thing that I want to point out is that normally it's only looking for Excel files. TXT is not an Excel file. So I go to All, and then here's my biotech IDs file. Boom, it's open. It wants you to do some stuff, just hit finish, and you'll be in good shape. Now we're going to save as, and again, we want it to be that comma delimited CSV, and save. All right, now you've got your two CSV files that you're going to use for GroupMaker. In GroupMaker, you are going to, the two things you're going to want to do here is grab first the one that has the grades, and that'll give you all of this stuff for making groups. I have a whole nother video that goes on to how to use GroupMaker. And then at the end, you need to match them with IDs. And so the second thing it's going to ask for, you're going to select that IDs one. And then you say what breakout room document you want it to go to. And so I'm going to call this biotech breakouts. And then, it's not a bad idea to give it the date that you set it up. So there's that. Then when you're in Zoom, whenever you want to make your pre-assign, you go to Edit, Import from CSV, and then you just drag that in. And boom, it's beautiful. It made all of our groups of about 4 pre-assigned based on that breakouts. And that's how you take some synergy exports and make breakout rooms.